Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode from Hong Kong. Last week I did a lot of work as I'm trying to improve my drawing and design skills. But I don't mind, to be honest, because outside is pretty cold and ugly anyway. Today's topic will be cuisine in Hong Kong. There is a sample of every Asian country or Chinese region. Local app OpenRice is a great example. Thousands of options. I was invited to a dinner made by my friends. And a great dinner needs great raw materials. So we started at the local market. Chinese sense for seasoning the meat is outstanding. Oh my god, yum! But I have problems with desserts. Taste of Chinese just doesn't work for me. Lots of jelly and beans-based stuff. And Maya had even some rice spaghetti. The only thing that I found delicious was the ice cream. But stop here for a moment and hear the conversation.
Okay, this is your last point. This is your last choice. I can switch with you because I like both.
Yes, durian. People love it or hate it. After my taste trying, I came to the verdict. I hate the smell and I would probably survive on the island. Bing ghee, great noodles, toasts and milk tea. Fun fact? These classic Hong Kong stands in the middle streets slowly disappearing due to street restrictions. They can continue only as long they are family business. And that, my friends, was everything for today. If you have any comments, don't hesitate and write me. Thank you for watching and see you next time. The video ended. It's time to close it. I won't say anything else. There was some research that only a really small percentage of viewers actually watched the video until the end. But because this video already ended, you belongs to very privileged group. Congratulations.